guys, thanks for tuning into this video. So I'm back with another wig review. So the wig that I'm reviewing today is from FreeTress Equal. It's a lace front. It is a Freedom Part lace front wig. It is synthetic. The color I got is a 1B. And of course I got it from Sam's Beauty because y'all know that's where I get all my wigs from because I'm having no problems. Yeah, so let's jump right on into this video. Okay, so first I want to start by saying welcome to my new subscribers. I see y'all growing. Okay, but if you did not see the video that I did for this wig that I'm currently wearing, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave the link to it right down below in the description box. But for this wig, I'm excited to wear this. It's like a really light body wave texture. Let's open it on up and see how it is. Let's see how it is. I know my last FreeTress, well, I don't know what happened to the button, honey, but it did not come off. Okay, anyway, I don't know what happened with my other FreeTress wig. It was like a straight, and wait, was that FreeTress? No, that was like I don't know, that was something else, but it was like a straight wig, and I really liked it. It just shedded like a fucking lot. Okay, so it's a lot of packaging in here, and it's a tag. Okay, wait a minute. We gonna get there, ain't we, Kia? We gonna get there, huh, mama? Y'all, look, Kia wanna say hi. Say hi, Kia. Say hi. No? Okay, you camera shy? Okay. She camera shy, but she originally wanted to say hi, so I don't know what happened. She was jumping on my leg, then I put her up here and she felt like she don't know nobody. Alright. So this wig, wait, okay, it's well packaged, okay, well packaged. Take the net off. That was her. Take the net off. All right, there we go. Tissue paper. I just be throwing this stuff on the floor like I don't gotta clean it up. Okay, take the card off. Alright, card. Alright, you're giving me problems. Alright, so on the card, it just tells you all of the information about the wig. Care instructions are on the back, okay, and then down here at the bottom, right down here at the bottom, it tells you how you can wear the wig. So it looked like that you can rotate it to whichever side, left or right parting, and then you have center part. So let's see, okay, so let's see here. So it's a really nice wavy texture. It's not too much and it's not too little, okay? In the front, it does have baby hairs. I don't know if you can see it. There's baby hairs and there's a little bit of lace. The inside, oh, this is different. Okay, let me show y'all this. On the inside, it has the one part down the middle that you can switch from side to side. It has two combs right here, and then one big comb down here at the bottom, also with adjustable straps. But if you look around the perimeter of this wig, can you see it's like really shiny, and it's like a non-slip type of plastic that's around it. So when you put it on your head and you just try to twist, I guess it's supposed to make it stick better. Well, not stick, but you know, be secure on your head a little bit better. I don't know, but we about to figure it out. Where my scissors? Let me grab my scissors, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig on and come back and show you guys what it's looking like. And literally what I did was I told you I had baby hairs, and I don't need no baby hairs, and these baby hairs are like really thick. Oh, look at it, they're really thick. So I just put a little gel on it to smooth it in with the rest of the hair, because I don't need no baby hairs. Like, I don't need no baby hairs. Thank you, but I don't need none. This hair is really long. I feel like some 2019 Addams Family situation going on. Okay, let me show y'all how long this is. Like, honey, this is long. Okay, this is very long on me. Okay, but the great thing about it is, like, I've been running my fingers through it. I haven't gotten any shedding, so that's a good thing. Let me fix it. This is a real, like, chill, low-key. It's a little tangling, but it ain't bad. This a chill, low-key wig for real. I'm not hating it. I'm not hating it. It's like the flat, like, it does not feel like I have anything on my head. It's so flat. Like, I feel all of my braids as if, how do I explain it? As if I got a stocking cap on my head right now. The hair is not too shiny. You know, it's not that plastic, synthetic. No. I can put heat on it up to 400 degrees, but I'm not, because I tend to just not even tread that water dealing with heat on fake hair. So no, I'm not doing it. But the wavy texture, honey, is so pretty. Like, I love it. Look at that. It's a nice, cute body wave, and it's very affordable. Like, how much should I spend on this wig? I'm sorry, but yeah, this is my FreeTress, $29.79. That's how much I paid for this wig. So I'm sure it's probably on sale now, because they are running a sale. Oh, I got a little shedding. It's like 2 strands. They are running a sale. So if there's an updated price, I'll leave the information down below, and then you can check it out, which I'm pretty sure it's probably still on sale. Like I said, I got my wig, like, I ordered them a couple months ago or whatever, but I'm not mad at this. Okay, I can rock this. I'm feeling this. Let's see what the side part is doing. Let's see. I don't really too much wear a side part. Let's see. Okay. Oh, pulled out one of my braids. Alright. But that's, look at that. Oh, jeez. I don't hate this. I don't hate this. I'm sorry. I'm like looking at myself in like 3 different places. I got my viewfinder, my laptop right here, and my mirror right here. So bear with me, y'all. Like, I know my eyes are just everywhere. But oh, I actually like the side part. I would probably go ahead and just put some makeup in there just to make it a little bit more defined. But I don't hate this wig. I like it a lot. I'm liking the hair. It's not tangling too much. It's not doing no extra shit. It's not giving me a lot of shedding. It's so light. Like, oh God, it's so light. Yeah, I like this. I like this wig. Sorry, just had a quick turn up because I don't know, like, am I the only one? Because her different types of hair be making me feel like a different type of bitch. Y'all get that? Does it do that for y'all? Because it do that for me, like, all the time. Oh, I like this. I am in love with this. It's so simple, and I'm all about simple. Just throw this on and go on by my way. All right, this will keep. I'm gonna keep this one. Them damn baby hairs trying to come out. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. I'm feeling this wig, and I'm about to keep it on like I'm wearing this for today. Let me know what y'all think about it. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know if there's something you want to see, a topic you want me to touch on, or a different type of wig that you want me to try. Let me know. Also, I need to figure out like what I'm gonna do with all these extra wigs, because I literally put them on, and out of all of the wigs that I've ordered, I only wear like 2 or 3 of them out of my synthetic ones. Like, all of the other ones, I literally put them on and put them back, and that is it. So I'm starting to like build up a collection accidentally. So yeah, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video, and keep in touch. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.